she doesn't cough. So there's probably a list of things about we can go through about what happens when good things about inhaling nasally. And one is it reduces cough because that's what your nose is made to do. It slows down the airflow and it puts humidity if it needs it, or changes the temperature of the vapor to mimic your body temperature. And then it goes over your vocal cords and everything else so you don't cough. It really can make a difference.